ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਸ਼ੀ ਤ੍ਰਿਵੇਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ. Why don't we talk to the woman who's the motivation and the drive for Rishi and his family? Let's talk to his wife. Because of her, he gave up his dreams, his career, to have her pursue hers and build this into a bigger and better business. So we're going to talk to Dr. Shilpa Trivedi. Hi, Shilpa. It's nice to be here, and it's really nice to see you in action.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great. Now tell me, how does it feel? I've spoken to Rishi, and great man, absolutely amazing. He gave up his dreams. उन्होंने अपने dreams give up किए, अपना career give up किया है, आपका करियर आगे करने के लिए, ताकि आपके ड्रीम्स ना रुकें और आपका करियर चलता जाए. You're a lucky woman.
Yes, definitely. I'm a lucky woman for someone who can give his excellent career in Wall Street and business and everything just to help out so we can help out mankind on a bigger scale.
Absolutely.
Just by myself, I couldn't have done this much. As you know, we help at least 70 to 100 patients a day. And, all I can say is just by myself, I cannot do all these things. So I definitely appreciate whatever help I get. And he's the person who is behind all this.
You know what? जब उन्होंने आपको पहली बार आके कहा कि शिल्पा मैं अपना करियर गिव अप करना चाहता हूँ, उन्हें ये नहीं पता था उन्होंने करना क्या है, पर उन्हें इतना पता था कि उन्होंने अब जो कर रहे हैं वो आगे और नहीं करना है, क्योंकि उन्हें फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है. तो ऑफ कोर्स being he was making the kind of money he was making, when he came and told you that, were you a typical woman and be like, what's wrong with you, man?
We definitely had a discussion about it, that am I making a right decision by letting him do this? मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सब लोग को क्या लगेगा, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, वो तो दिमाग में आया था. हम भी ह्यूमन बीइंग है. सो देन आई फेल्ट द सेम वे. लेकिन फिर बैठ के हमने जब सोचा कि साथ में काम करेंगे तभी फ्रीडम मिल जाएगी टाइम की. और वो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वो था कि मैं जब ऑफिस में हूँ तो वो घर पे रह सकते हैं बच्चों के साथ, या कुछ करना है एक्टिविटीज़ तो कर सकते हैं. जब मैं घर पे होती हूँ तो वो ऑफिस में बिजनेस का ध्यान रखते हैं. तो फिर वो जो फ्रीडम थी, टाइम की फ्रीडम, वो बहुत बिग थिंग was a big thing for us. And so we decided कि नहीं, यही करना है. पैसे तो है ही, लेकिन फिर बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे. And then we wanted to make a balance of both. So that's why we decided.
आपको ये नहीं डर लगा, जैसे आपने कहा कि हम सबसे पहले उन्होंने इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लिया कि मैं अपना करियर गिव अप कर रहा हूँ अपनी फैमिली और वाइफ के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने को, पर जब उन्होंने आपको आकर कहा तो ये सोचने की बजाय कि वाह वो ये सब गिव अप कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ रहने के लिए, आपने ये सोचा कि दुनिया क्या सोचेगी, विच लाइक यू सेड इट्स नेचुरल ह्यूमन नेचर. पर जब उन्होंने ये कहा कि वो गिव अप करना भी चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी कम्युनिटी में इतने ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं जो अपना करियर गिव अप करेंगे, मैन जो अपना करियर गिव अप करेंगे अपनी वाइफ के लिए काम करने के लिए. सबसे बड़ी बात ये आ जाती है कि वो अपनी वाइफ के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. अगर जब उन्होंने ऐसा कहा, आपकी फैमिली वालों ने, ऑफ कोर्स आपको पता है लेडीज़ आर लेडीज़, तो किसी ने आपको अगर कुछ कहा, आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
पहले तो मैं वो कहूँगी कि कैरियर अपना चेंज किया डेफिनेटली, लेकिन मेरे लिए काम कर रहे हैं ऐसा तो कभी फील ही नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि वी यूज टू ग्रांट ईच अदर द बीइंगनेस द मोस्ट. सो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो मेरे लिए कर रहे हैं, मैं पे चेक साइन कर रही हूँ या मैं उनको लिए काम कर रही हूँ. सो दैट वाज डेफिनेटली आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. और जब सोसाइटी में तो जब सब लोग देखते हैं तब जेलस होते हैं शायद, या आई डोंट नो क्या, वो फील करते हैं कि भाई हमने भी ऐसा किया होता तो अच्छा है. लेकिन कभी ना कभी वो स्टेप तो लेना ही है कि यू हैव टू मेक अ डिसीजन फॉर बेटर. सो दैट्स हाउ आई फील कि नहीं, ऐसा तो इतना दिमाग में नहीं आया कभी कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, क्योंकि हमें पता था कि जो भी हमारे लिए बेटर है वो ही हमें करना है. हाँ.
Considering the man that he is today, उन्होंने इतना कुछ गिव अप किया. You're definitely, like I said, a lucky woman, क्योंकि बहुत कम औरतें हैं जो ये कह सकती हैं. वो हमेशा जितने भी लेडी से बात करो हमेशा यही होता है कि मैंने अपना करियर, मैंने अपने ड्रीम्स, मैंने अपना पैशन गिव अप किया बच्चों और अपने हस्बैंड को देखने के लिए. बहुत कम औरतें हैं जो ये कह सकती हैं कि मेरे हस्बैंड ने सब कुछ गिव अप किया मेरे करियर और मेरी फैमिली के लिए. सो टुडे जब इनिशियली जैसे आपने कहा, आपने ये सोचा कि दुनिया क्या कहेगी, आज ऑफ कोर्स सब जेलस हैं. जब आप इसके बारे में बैठ के सोचते हो, what is the feeling that you get for him? I mean, he's not around here, so he can't hear us. He'll only hear it when he sees this episode. So how does that feel, Shilpa, as a woman? अब ये जवाब आप मुझे as a woman, as a wife answer करना, not as anything else.
As a woman, as a wife, I can definitely say I'm very, very proud of it. And I'm very thankful to, what we have done and what he had decided, and that keeping us all together and making the life more enjoyable and making it happen so I can, do what I always wanted to do. And I think it's also helping him, which I know I'm saying it on his behalf, but I know he's enjoying working together. And that's all I can tell him. And he's an excellent person, and he's an excellent father and a family person.
एंड योर बिजनेस ऑफ कोर्स जब से वो आए हैं, ऑफ कोर्स उससे जिससे भी मैंने बात किया ऑफिस में, उनसे भी बात की, ऑफ कोर्स ये नहीं कि डबल या ट्रिपल 20 टाइम्स आपका बिजनेस उनसे बड़ा है. सो वो इट्सेल्फ उसका एक सबूत है कि कभी कभी अगर हस्बैंड साथ में हो, वाइफ साथ में हो, कोई जो अपना बंदा आपको पुश कर रहा हो, उससे ड्राइव और उसका रिजल्ट ही अलग होता है.
वो तो मैं कहूँगी definitely, because who else will have the best interest in your business than your own person, your own husband or your wife or your kids. They are your own, and they will have the best interest in you, so they won't make sure that nothing will go wrong. So someone of your own is the best person to work with, and I enjoy working. I enjoy working with it. I don't feel like, I'm going at work. I still feel like it's my another home, and it's excellent working together.
और अगर कभी घर में कोई झगड़ा हुआ तो कभी वो झगड़ा ऑफिस तक आता है या नहीं? ऑनेस्टली बोलना.
कभी नहीं आता. You can ask all my staff member. They won't even know what happened, or नहीं. That we have learned to. Nothing. That doesn't happen now. Thank God. ऐसे नहीं कहती मैं कि कभी बोलना नहीं होता है, लेकिन it's never to that matter that it will affect my work.
और ये हमारा स्पेशल फादर्स डे एपिसोड है जहाँ पे हम we're recognizing men who've given up their dreams. Your husband is a perfect example of this. अगर आपको आज आदमियों को मैसेज देना हो फादर्स डे के लिए, what would it be?
I will definitely wish them happy Father's Day, and I have an excellent one, but one suggestion that would be house, but spending time together with the family and kids and your wife, and respecting each other as an individual is the most important thing. So if you respect your family and if you respect your wife, you will get that back. And enjoy. Happy Father's Day again.
Well, thank you so much, Shilpa. It was really a pleasure to talk to you, and it was very nice to meet your family and your extended family in the office as well. It was really a pleasure.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, ਅਸੀਂ ਰੂਸ਼ੀ ਦੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੇਟੀ ਨਾਲ, ਵਾਈਫ ਨਾਲ. Now we're going to talk to his beautiful daughter, Saloni. Hi, Saloni. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Good. You know what? First of all, you're absolutely beautiful and a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Now tell me, Rushi, as growing up, you've always seen all the events that happen in school. Things happen. You need things done. You need homework done. You need someone to pick you up from your games. It's always been daddy that you have to reach out to instead of mom. You see all the other kids reaching out to their mom. You reach out to your dad. How does that feel?
I feel fine. I love my dad.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure you love him, but how does it feel when you have to run to him instead of mommy?
I don't think it feels any bad.
It doesn't feel. Do you even feel any different?
No.
No. How does it feel when you go to? Does your daddy attend events at the school with you?
Yes, he does.
So do you see when there are a lot more moms and very few dads? How does it feel to have your dad among all the other moms there?
Well, my dad is just my mom and dad are really same.
Okay.
And sometimes mom she comes too.
Okay.
So yeah, it feels the same.
It feels the same. And when you see your daddy working with your mommy, how do you feel?
It feels good that they're together.
Oh, it does? And did you ever see them if they're ever having an argument about work? Do you ever wonder what's going on here?
No, because I know it's not an argument.
It's not an argument.
No.
Well, thank you so much, Saloni. It's really nice talking to you. And if you had to give one message for your daddy for Father's Day, seeing everything that he's done, he's given up his career and dreams to help your mommy go forward and spend time with the family, what would your message be to your dad? He won't see this till we air it. So tell me what you would want to tell him that you wouldn't tell him otherwise.
I think he's done a wonderful job with me when he's always with me.
Oh, that is so cute. Well, I wish you all the best, and you look absolutely beautiful. You spoke like a lady, so I want to wish you good luck in everything that you do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, AC Saloni Trivedi, Rishi di Beti. As you can see, it has been really a memorable experience for me because I've learned a lot from Rishi and his family. हमेशा अगर देखा जाए जिस तरह ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਔਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤਿਆਗਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Sometimes if the man takes a step back ਔਰ ਅਗਰ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਈਗੋ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ 'ਚ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ 'ਚ ਸੋਚੇ, we can have great results like we see with Rishi's family and their family business. He's brought it to where it was never before. So with that, I hope you all enjoyed our Father's Day special episode. Stay tuned. We'll look forward to seeing you the next time. Sat Sri Akal.